If you're a military retiree or veteran and you're looking for your 1099-R, this video will walk you through it step by step. No guessing, no stress. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it and how to download it. The 1099-R is the tax form that reports retirement income. If you receive military retirement pay, disability retirement, or survivor benefits through DFAS, this is the form you will need when filing your taxes. First, go to mypay.dfas.mil. Link will be in the description. This is the official DFAS site where your tax documents are stored. Unless you got a job with the government, you're not living that CAC life anymore. So hopefully you remember your login. In case you didn't, don't worry. They got a couple links there to remind you and also get a new password. Here's the fun part. If you have not logged into here since last year when you had to do this, you're going to have to change your password. Have fun with that. If it is your first time and you're a new user, on the bottom, there's a tutorial, and hit that blue button that says Create Your myPay Profile. Once you're logged in, look for the menu on the left and click Tax Statement 1099-R. This is where DFAS stores your statement. Select the tax year you need, usually the most recent year, unless you're trying to amend a return. You can view, download, or print your 1099-R directly from myPay. Save a copy for your records and your tax preparer. What I like to do is have a folder for the year's taxes so I can download all of those documents, pop it in the folder, and then play with it later when it comes time to do my taxes. If this helps you, hit like, subscribe, and share this with another veteran who's in tax season mode. Drop a comment if you want to walk through on other DFAS or VA paperwork.